Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a quick review. This is something that I purchased myself. This was not given to me at all by Legos. This is something that I bought with my own money. But I want to do just a review and just show you a little bit about what's in the kit. So this is a 3-in-1 kit, a 3-in-1 set that you can order. And you can make any of these items. You can make the roller skates, you can make a skateboard, or you can make like a boombox radio. So 3-in-1, this is kit number 31148. That's what it says. So basically it says create your own pattern. But I just wanted to show you what they look like and just give you an idea what the idea of the boombox, which is cool. I love the roller skates. Absolutely, roller skates are absolutely fantastic. And the skateboard is really different. Now, right here, this is for age 8+. Just so you know, again, it's 31148. So retro roller skate has a total of 342 pieces. You can build any of these items, either the roller skate or the boombox or the skateboard. Now, I think it's a fantastic idea to really mix and match different items that are available that you can make. I think that's really cool. I like the retro the roller skates. I think they're actually really nice. You can see the detail on the wheels are really cool. The laces are very interesting. How they make the laces that like that. The back of the heel, all around, really nice. Now again, this is for age 8+. Just so you know, it says create your own pattern. Well, I really think that's a really nice thing, but it comes in a nice big box like this here. Everything's all branded with Lego, and I actually think this is a really cool and a fun way to either experience Legos by making different items with one kit. Again, 3-in-1. You can make any of these items. I think that's awesome. I absolutely love it. And I think I'm going to recommend this for sure. So if you like this kind of item, please follow the channel for more. Subscribe if you're watching on different platforms, whatever you're watching on. I really appreciate that you're watching this. Hope you support my channel. Hope you follow what you're on this platform that you're watching this on. And I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, have a great day. And I'm going to recommend this for sure because kids are going to love it. And that's what it's for. It's for the kids. And for the adults too. You never know. Thanks for watching.